Hello everyone. Today's topic is comparison of adjectives. When we talk about two things, we can compare them. We can see if they are same or different. Perhaps they are the same in some ways and different in other ways. We can use comparative adjectives to describe the differences, children. So there are three forms of comparison. First, positive degree, where there is no comparison. Comparative degree, when you compare two persons or things. Superlative degree, for comparing more than two persons or things. Now let us take up the first one, that is positive degree. We use positive degree when we talk about some quality of a person or thing without comparing. Let us take up this example. Chennai is a large city, or you can say Chennai is as large as Lucknow. Here you are not comparing, you are just telling that Chennai is a large city. So the word large is said to be in the positive degree. Now let us take a few more examples. Madhu is not as intelligent as Kusum. So here the word is intelligent. Honey is sweet. So the positive degree is sweet. Now let us take the next degree, that is comparative degree. The word compare comes from the word comparative. So in comparative degrees, we talk about two things, people or groups. We compare them. We don't compare more than two, that is three or more things, only two things, children. Often the comparative degree is followed by than, the word than. So here are the few ways to make or form a comparative adjective. If the adjective ends in E, we add R. For example, strange, we add as stranger. Late, you add as later. Then if the adjective ends with a consonant, we add ER. For example, old, older. Fast, faster. If the adjective ends in Y, change the Y into I and then add ER. So let us take this example, happy, happier. Easy, easier. If the adjective ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, double the last consonants. I hope you remember what are consonants and vowels. So big becomes bigger, fat becomes fatter. Then we use more or less when long words which contain a single vowel sound and it is pronounced as a unit. For example, modern, it will become more modern. Expensive, it will become more expensive. However, there are some exceptions, like good will become better. Well, if you are healthy, it will become better. Bad will become worse. Far will become farther and further. Understood? So let us take up the next degree, that is superlative degree. A superlative adjective describes the extreme or highest degree of a quality of one thing in group of things. Understood? We can use superlative adjectives when we are talking about three or more things, not two things, more than three or more. The definite article, the, is always used in the front of an adjective in superlative degree, children. As with comparative degree, there are few ways to form superlative degree also. If the adjective ends in E, just add ST. So let us take up the above example. Strange will become strangest. Late will become latest. If the adjective ends with a consonant, add EST. Old will become oldest. Fast will become fastest. If the adjective ends in Y, change the Y to IEST. So happy becomes happiest. easy becomes easiest. If the adjective ends in consonant, vowel, consonant, double the last consonant. So big becomes biggest, fat becomes fattest. Use most or least when words that contains a single vowel sound and that is pronounced as a unit. Example, modern becomes most modern, expensive becomes most expensive. So here also we have some exceptions. Good will become best, bad will become worst, far will become farthest, and furthest. One important thing to remember, children, when we compare one thing with itself, we do not use the. Let us take this example. England is coldest in winter. We won't say England is the coldest in winter. Understood? Let us take up one more example. My boss is most generous when we get a big order. We won't tell my boss is the most generous when we get a big order because it is speaking about itself. It is not comparing with others. I hope it is clear, children. Now let us quickly do this worksheet. Write the correct form of adjective. Timmy is dash young than his brother. So there is the word than. Than is used in comparative. So we use younger. Timmy is younger than his brother. Tom is the dash happy of all the students. Did you notice the definite article the is placed? So it is a superlative degree. So Tom is the happiest of all the students. The weather is dash hot today than yesterday. So there is than. So it is comparative. The weather is hotter today than yesterday. Ted is dash handsome than his father. So here it will come more handsome. Ted is more handsome than his father. Ben wrote the dash interesting essay of the two. So Ben wrote the most interesting essay of the two. Of the two assistants, Rex seems dash competent. So of the two assistants, Rex seems more competent. Understood? So let us quickly recap what we have learnt. We use the positive degree of an adjective when we do not make comparison. We use the comparative degree of an adjective when we compare two persons or things. And the comparative adjective is followed by than. We use the superlative degree of an adjective when we compare more than two persons or things. The definite article the is always used in front of an adjective in superlative degree. So I hope it is clear, children. Here is an worksheet for you to do. Keep practicing. Thank you.